What if you woke up this morning with only the things you thanked God for in your last prayer? What would you have? Who would you have? Or when was the last time you truly talked to God, where you shared your fears, your dreams, your goals, the things you hope for? Really, when was the last time you thanked God for all the little things? Or put it this way, what would life be like without God? What would life be like without Jesus Christ? It's because of Him there's hope. It's because of Him we have love, for He is the source of all love. It is because of Him that families can be together forever. Being with those we love is carved into our very nature. It's forever imprinted on our hearts. But just like a plant needs to be watered each day, our relationship with God and others are just as important. They need love and care each day. It takes faith, trust, patience, forgiveness, sacrifice. It's not an easy feat, but the results are priceless. The blessings are immeasurable. You see, when centered on Jesus Christ, life becomes inspired, purpose-driven, and filled with peace. When centered on Jesus Christ, hearts are mended and made whole. I have found Christ within the home. And through the family, your family, you can find Jesus Christ too. Refuge from the storms of life is found in Jesus Christ, and the restoration of the gospel teaches us that. It provides comfort and direction. Happiness in family life is most likely to be achieved when founded upon the teachings of Jesus Christ. What if you woke up this morning with only the things you thanked God for in your last prayer? What would you have? Who would you have? The next time you pray, take a moment to list the things you're grateful for and appreciate the beauty of life. And then go out there and be that light to others, giving them a reason to be thankful as well.